How's it going, everybody? I picked this up and let's test it out. It's a TEMPKIT power probe, -10 to 132, 16-foot radius from the probe. There's all the specs and everything. Y'all can pause that. Battery's not included. Damn. Be right back. I also picked up a second probe. By the way, this was about like 45, 50 bucks. I don't remember. But this guy right here, power probe, 26.45. I want to say I bought these like last year. I put them in my toolbox and I just found them. Anyways, these things are pretty cool. I have other technicians that had these and I've used them before and I wanted my own. Let's open these up. It's kind of hard one-handed, but we can do this. Breaking the stuff already. There's a probe, no batteries, double A's. Anyways, these little probes hook up to the sides of this thing. Here's the other probe sensor. It also needs a battery, which I do not have. This one's AAA. Now, instructions, probably read those later. Let's see what's in the packaging for this guy. Yep, there's a second one. The cool thing is when you buy this kit, the one that comes with it has a number 1. And when you buy the second one, like I just did right here, has a 2. So it's going to be temp 1, temp 2. And if I remember right, this thing itself has its own integrated temperature on this guy. So like I put the probe in one of the AC vents on the truck and I come out here, it's going to tell me what the probe's reading and the temp that this guy's reading. So that way we can get an accurate measurement of the AC inside the truck and the temperature out here, and to see if there's a 30-degree or 35-degree difference or whatever it is, and see if it's within spec. Let's see if I can go get some batteries. Well, they have no batteries, but I went and got some batteries. So let's take this off right here. Satisfying. Anyways, so on button. Right now it's reading, not eating. This will have a mouth it can't eat. Anyways, that right there, the little house, it's the home. It's reading the temp off of this thing. Right now it's 81 degrees. Now we turn on temp 1, or the thermal sensor. Number 1, right there, is gonna read. This guy's reading a lot lower because I was just inside the house. Like I said, put the batteries in, and it's slowly going up. Anyways, when this guy is on, that thing flashes. Again, on off button. And these probes, they have these little hooks on each side, so you can just, you know, move them as you please. So those go in right there, go in, snap in, and just like that, they come off. Very simple. And so, reason why I bought this is I do a lot of AC work at work, a lot of AC jobs, and this thing's really cool to have because this guy, we're gonna turn probe 2 on. I didn't show you guys this. Probe 2 is on with this little circle button right here. Hit that, and now it's reading the temperature of probe 2. The top one is always going to read what the house, the home, this guy is going to read. That's the top temperature, this guy. And right there, probe number 2, switch back to number 1, so forth. So let's leave probe 2 right there, and we'll take this guy inside the truck and start reading temps. So we're inside the truck. Truck's running, AC is blowing. This guy right here, you can adjust it. And then you can just stab it in there, and it should hang. Like that. So we got probe 1 in the vent, and probe 1 is reading 64 or 60.4, 59 temp. And the home also got a light. This guy is reading 83 degrees, and if I move it closer to here, it should start dropping. And probe 2's outside, so let's see what that temp is. 90 degrees. 104 degrees. Probe number 1. 47. Let's turn this up a little bit. Currently 60 degrees on the screen, or 9.2 Celsius. Again, off button. This guy is to switch between probes. Probe number 2 outside, currently right there on my parents' truck. 91 degrees outside. Probe number 1, 50 degrees. Rev it up a little bit, drops down. And again, the home, 75 degrees. Let's see how much it drops. See if we can get it as low as the probe over here. And that's another thing. Whenever there's dual climate controls like this, you can put one probe over here and then the other probe over there or right there, and then you can measure it to see how accurate it is, or see if the temperature is higher over here when they're both on the same setting and stuff like that. But that's the review of this thing. The Power Probe Thermal, whatever the hell. Yeah, right here, TEMPKIT. Again, this thing uses 2 AA batteries. The probes use 2 AAA batteries. And back to temp 2 or probe 2, 92 degrees. This thing is awesome if you do AC jobs. Definitely recommend picking one up. And like I said, you can use just one probe, or like buy this and it comes with one probe, and you can read what the home is reading, or you can read, you know, what the home and the probe number 1 are reading, or you can buy another probe and read probe number 2 and have it outside as a reference of outside temp. So right here, 47 to 92 outside. And here, probe number 1 is reading 47 degrees, and probe number 2, 92. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Put them down in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video and review. Don't forget to sub and like. Appreciate it.